Alright, hey, good morning everyone. So today I'm going to be videoing a bathroom remodel. So you saw the first thing I started with there is cutting the water to the toilet and sucking out all the water with a shop vac. That way it's easy to remove. And now I'll be removing the waxering. I like to use grocery bags because that wax is really sticky and you don't really want to get it on you. Now the previous owner ran the water lines through this vanity here instead of through the wall, so I'm going to go ahead and cut those and remove the vanity because it's just a small bathroom. This vanity is way too big.
Okay, good job.
Wow! Okay, I'm gonna do that again.
And there's a couple other odd things to do in this bathroom. There's this handrail, and of course nothing is easy on projects, and the screws are stripped out. So I went ahead and just drilled the screws out. It's kind of an easier way to deal with screws that are stripped. You can just use a drill bit and drill them right out, and they pop out. I'll also be removing the towel rack and toilet paper holder as well. And you can see here I use a utility knife to cut the plastic drywall anchor out, and I can go back later and just patch the holes. I find this way is a little easier than trying to pull the anchors out completely. And there I was removing some baseboard, and I'll be retiling the whole floor as well. That little 2x4 thing is kind of where they ran the water line in the wall through the vanity. Now one of these days I'll get a nice power hammer, but until then I just use a hammer and a 5-in-1. It works good enough to get the job done. But a power hammer, if you haven't seen them, is basically like those demo tools you'll see on HGTV. It's just a little, it's like a drill, but it's got like a blade bit that'll just hammer those tiles right out and make easy work of this job I'm doing here instead of using a 5-in-1. Although those 5-in-1s are just all around the best, one of my favorite tools you can get. I use them for just about everything. And I just try to clean up here as I go so I don't have a bigger mess to deal with later on. And the tile job that was done here was over tile already. So there were 2 layers of tile, but you know, it held up so good the first time. I don't really see any issue with doing it again, although the camera doesn't do a good job of picking up how bad it really was. So I'm definitely going to have to use some self-leveling compound to give myself a nice smooth surface to start. And then I just kind of go around with that 5-in-1 again, smoothing stuff out the best I can. Yeah, you can see in that wall there, the previous owner shoved a bunch of foam insulation underneath. Put some fiberglass in there as well.
Daddy,
Yeah.
Daddy, let me stop calming down.
I need to start calming down?
Yeah, let me start calming down.
Why?
Because you're making me wake up.
Okay, well, I'm almost done, okay? Wash your feet. Good job. Now look out. I'm going to shut the door. I'm almost done.
Then I'm to see what you're doing. I just put it right there for you.
Thanks, Eli. You're a good helper. Alright. Let's take a break.
Daddy.
Alright, and I'm back to doing what I was doing. I just have a shop vac now. This is not the same shop vac. I have 2. One I use for toilets and anything kind of nasty, and this one here just as a general purpose. And my little helper reappeared, and I let him kind of finish up vacuuming. And of course he had to steal my headphones because it is very loud in this bathroom, so I'm already got some hearing loss going on, so a little more won't hurt, right? Now I will be doing a full cost breakdown of how much this bathroom cost me to remodel, But I do want to say that a lot of material I have used, I kind of had here at the house to help save money.
Good job.
I put them like that.
Alright, well that is it for this video. I will be posting more videos about this bathroom, and I'll be doing a full cost breakdown once we're all done with it. So we'll see you.